Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. Quack, the DuckDB client-server protocol. The DuckDB team has introduced Quack, a new client-server protocol that enables DuckDB instances to communicate with each other over HTTP. This development allows DuckDB to operate in a client-server setup with support for multiple concurrent writers, while maintaining the simplicity and performance that DuckDB is known for. Unlike traditional database protocols that can introduce significant overhead, Quack is designed to be lightweight and fast, supporting both bulk operations and small transactions. The protocol represents a shift from DuckDB's original in-process architecture toward distributed database capabilities. Radim Marek, strong views on PostgreSQL VIEWs. Radim Marek explores the theoretical benefits and practical challenges of using PostgreSQL VIEWs as a clean abstraction layer in SQL. He illustrates how views can standardize definitions like active customer and build reusable layers for reporting, but notes that their real-world performance often falls short. Despite their promise of decoupling logic from storage, views in production environments frequently lead to complexity and debate. Percona operator for PostgreSQL 3.0. Hard fork, OLM scoping, major upgrades. Percona has released version 3.0 of its PostgreSQL operator, completing a hard fork from Crunchy Data's PostgreSQL operator into an independent project with its own API group. The update introduces CRD renaming for coexistence with Crunchy operators, improved OLM namespace scoping for OpenShift, and alignment with the official Percona distribution image for PostgreSQL upgrades. This release establishes a stable operational baseline for future community-driven development, supported by a public roadmap. I love Excel, but here's when I stop using it and switch to something else. Excel remains a powerful tool for data management, but performance issues like crashes, lag, and slow file processing indicate it may be time to switch to a more robust platform. When spreadsheets exceed 100,000 rows or contain over 5,000 formulas, users often experience significant slowdowns that hinder productivity. Files larger than 300 MB and complex data operations further strain Excel's capabilities, signaling the need for alternative solutions. Migrate from Crunchy Data PostgreSQL operator to Percona PostgreSQL operator, backup restore and PV reuse. Percona PostgreSQL operator offers 2 migration paths from Crunchy Data PostgreSQL operator, backup restore and persistent volume reuse. The backup restore method involves taking a full Crunchy backup and pointing the new Percona cluster's data source at the existing PG-back rest archive. Persistent volume reuse allows skipping the data copy entirely for cases requiring minimal downtime. This migration guide is part of a 3-part series on running PostgreSQL on Kubernetes with open-source operators. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed, and I will see you in the next update.